Nothing works out. Oh, come on. Shiver me cheddars. How should I solve this? I don't want to study. Alright, I'm done. Studying is impossible.
Samantha, hurry up! We have to rescue Sammy, fast!
Yoo-hoo, Sammy, look what we have here. Hop, hop.
And check this out! Awesome!
That's better. Where did you get all that?
We've made these new stress-relieving toys. Come on, we'll show you everything.
Let's get started. Come on, Susie, bring in the details.
Aye, aye, Captain. You got everything out great, Sammy.
Will you help me with my part? We Sam's gotta stick together.
Indeed.
Hey, I'm working here and you're having fun. Not fair.
Oopsie, Susan, we're almost done. Don't be so grumpy. We're just having fun. Take a look.
Oh, Sam, why are you throwing them at me?
Paper snow battle.
Oh, haha. Okay, you won. And here the next stage of crafting begins. And hop. We slide the paper strip through the section of the cube, like this.
Oh, we can now leave like 8, 9, 12 balls. But what for?
To make a fidget toy fold and unfold. You'll understand everything soon. But until then, look carefully.
Thank you. And now it's my turn. Let's place it this way. Now we'll pull a paper strip through the slot. Hop. And we'll get another row. Great.
Hey, Sam, here's one more cube.
Oh, I'm better at crafting than Sam. Thumbs up.
Hey, Susie, rise and shine.
Huh? What? Is it my turn already?
Sleepyhead.
We're already getting something cool. But just to be safe, let's fix our construction with a rubber band.
Now we can start painting. Come on now, Susan, draw. Oh, we need a lot of colors.
Ugh, that monster alter ego of yours. Okay, let's see. 5 times 5?
I have to focus. Oh, I forgot everything again. Oh, help me, I'm melted here. Oh.
Hey, Sammy, look here. Do you see how the pictures change? So cool.
Oh, I seem to understand. The answer is 25, right?
Yay! You're right, Sammy. We believed in you. Woohoo!
Wow, this toy is really stress relieving. Somehow, I feel so easy in life now.
Look at that. It's like we've hypnotized him. Hey, Sammy, hello.
Whoops, we need a little break. We'll be back soon, people.
And once again, hello everyone. I came out of hypnosis and we can continue. Soon Samantha will show us how to build another fidget toy. Love Origami? Give us a thumbs up. Who will do it better? Let's see how they'll cope with the obstacles.
Huh? Hey, that's not fair, Sammy.
Our host fell into his own trap. Care to help me?
No need to ask. I've already folded like a gazillion of origami.
Someone here likes to brag. Come on, this side now.
And I can also use different tools. Look.
I see you're out there having fun without me. I'll quickly overtake you.
Well, we'll see about that, sister. Ta-da! And yet we're finished at the same
Hey,
time.
I brought you more details. I'm like an origami sensei.
Hey, what's going on? So, Origami Sensei, where did you bury my... Oh, there it is. Let's start assembling. Uh-huh.
And I'll work with mine by myself. Here we go. Uh-huh. One more fold. And like this. So, Sammy, are you ready to see our craft?
Show me,
Huh?
show me. Ah! Catch me, snake. Oh, no, you take that.
Whoops. Sammy, you scared her off.
It seems that today I make crafts all alone. Maybe I'll be the main character here.
Hey, we were working too. We were just testing the craft. Here, I helped.
Okay. I can pout on you for too long.
This is how I look at the first stage.
Come on, secure them here and here, Samantha.
And this is me after the second stage of gluing the cubes.
Samantha, can you help our assistant? And we already have a base of the third craft, also made of cubes.
And fastened with an elastic band.
It's like having two pairs of hands.
Now let's add some pictures.
We better do it quickly. Wow, this is so cool. Well, let's see. It's like a real kaleidoscope.
Slime Sam has days when everything goes upside down.
Shiver me jitters, nothing goes right.
But the anti-stress kaleidoscope cube will fix everything, no problems with it.
Aw, Sammy, who's gonna clean up this mess?
That's fun, and everything is so bright. I just love it.
More fidget toys are yet to come. Don't go anywhere.
Well, this is finally my turn to start crafting. We'll make origami again.
Hey, Susan, take it easy. I can't really follow.
Don't follow, join in. Whoosh.
Oh, that one just passed me.
Thanks, Sue. I'll continue for you. Look, you need to bend this piece like a really long cobble. And here's the result. Phew.
That's easy. What else can we do, Sam? Huh?
Easy, you say? Well then look. Let's unfold it a bit like this. Then we'll do this. What do you say now?
Whoa! Do more! Show me more! And I'll post it!
And if we unfold it like this, we'll get the letter N.
Mozzarella, let me see closer! Whoa! I'm fine, don't worry. Let's show this piece to Susan.
May I, Samantha? Now let's bend it right here, and we'll get a W. Cool, right? We need more of these, Sammy.
Ha! Easy peasy. Hop! So now let's glue them all together. We're gonna need a lot of glue!
Fine. Take 2 parts of different colors and put them together.
Yeah,
Hey, Sammy, it
this
looks
is-
great, huh?
Susie! It's a thief!
Oh, I just wanted to glue the other pieces. Here you are.
Oh? Well, Samantha's as sly as I am. Do you agree?
Give us your thumbs ups and watch how the pieces come together.
Catch!
Oh, wow! It remains only to connect the ends. And the craft is ready. Wanna test it,
Huh?
Samantha?
Oh, wait. I guess I've come up with another fidget toy. Believe it or not, but to make it, we only need an ordinary paper napkin and a cute character.
Then you just bending it with a piece of tape. I'm stuck.
It's okay, Sammy. I'll just take a new piece of it. The idea is good though. Give me just one more second.
I'll take it from here. Hop. These are cut out, which means we should put them together.
La 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 la. Oh, what's happening? Is it snow? Whoa!
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just couldn't resist
Oh,
it.
yeah? Well, then I'm gonna give it all to Susan.
Well done, Sammy. Now we can fill up our toy. Let me just seal the opening. And done! Another stress-relieving toy is ready.
Come on, let me try. Whoopsie. Thanks, though. It really does help.
All right. It's so cool to hold it in your hands. Boop, boop.
And someone has 2 of them. I'm the luckiest here.
Hey, you didn't even think of giving one to the wow dessert slime? Well, okay. I still have my own puppet. Here, look. What happened to it?
You ruined it yourself while doing your homework last week. But it's okay. We can make our own puppet right
Oh,
now.
what is that? A hat? Let me try it on. Does it suit me?
No, these will be pineapple puppet parts. Look.
Oh, sounds interesting.
First, we'll glue them into the cardboard and foam paper base. Like this. Let me speed up a little. And hop. Now we're talking. We'll glue exactly the same part from the other side. Will you help me out, Sam?
Of course. And now we need to close it with a side piece like the real puppets have. Neatly.
Hey, I think something's missing here.
Sammy,
Don't you-
go away. Everything is in its place. See?
Uh-huh, but you forgot about the green top. Let me grow it for you, like this. Grow quickly, grow faster, like this. See? This is exactly what I was talking about.
Whoa, you're a gardener, Sammy.
Turn it over again.
Yeah.
Like that. Hey, wait for me.
Huh?
Oh, that is so cool.
Huh?
Can you play with it?
Here you go.
dang, I have so many new toys now. I love my life.
The right answer is... Ugh, remind me again, why are we doing Sam's homework?
Sam is so persuasive.
Hey, did you like today's video? Be sure to subscribe then.
See you soon. Bye.
Take care,